Pine needle tea. Everybody seems to be talking about it right now, and I'm going to teach you how to make it. Hi, I'm Chef Val. Welcome to Cooking Whole and Healthy. I am the author of 5 cookbooks, and I've been teaching healthy whole foods cooking classes for 24 years. You can find out more about all I have to offer at my website, macroval.com. So, here in North America, we have lots of pine trees, and Native Americans have been making this pine needle tea for a long, long time. It has huge medicinal properties, and it's very easy to make. So you do need to make sure that you're using the correct type of pine tree. So make sure you do your research, look up and see which ones you should not use. So in my backyard, I have balsam pine trees, and that's what I've been using. You can also use white pine and red pine, and also cedar. The cedar would be a little stronger flavor. The balsam pine that I have in my backyard gives a nice mellow flavor. Now, I will be honest with you, the pine needle tea tastes exactly like a pine tree smells. So the first time I had it, it was different. It does have a slight bitter taste, but I've been drinking it for a while, and I think the flavor is really nice now. I go out in my backyard and I take some scissors and I clip some of the pine needles. I get the new growth part of the tree. I get approximately 2 cups. I don't bother to take the needles off of the little branch. I leave it all on. I put it in a pot with 5 cups of water. I bring it to a boil, and then I reduce it to a simmer and let it cook for 15 minutes. And then I strain the pine needles out of the liquid and I drink it. I put it in the refrigerator. I think it tastes better when it's cold, but you could drink it warm, you could drink it hot, or you could drink it cold. Here's what it looks like. So again, it's been boiling for 15 minutes. That's all there is to it, right there. You strain it and drink it. Now, the medicinal properties of the pine needle tea are vast. There's lots of them. First and foremost, it helps to maximize the immune system, which means it strengthens the immune system so that your body has a strong immune system. It helps to improve vision because it's very high in vitamin A. It can help prevent respiratory infections. It helps to stimulate your circulation. It also helps to strengthen your heart health. Exceptionally high in vitamin C. It helps to calm inflammation, has antiviral properties, and antiseptic properties. And so the natural healers from a long time ago, they knew about all these health benefits. And so it's an herbal drink that's been used for a long, long time. And of course, if you're in the know, you know that pine needle tea has some other benefits to it. So if you get a chance, make the pine needle tea. It has a wonderful flavor and it helps to boost your immune system. Thank you so much for tuning in. And remember, your journey to eating healthy begins with one small step. Let's take that small step together.